All right, today we are doing a removal of the LED lights that are in here, and we're going to actually replace these. These are all out. So the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is remove this cover. And in order to remove this cover, you got to push this all the way back. Well, the first thing you got to do is actually push in the mirror all the way, so it's away from the frame, but you're going to push it inwards. Okay, and once you do that, you're going to push this all the way to the back, and at the very end there's a small clip right here. Hopefully you can see it, but right here there is a small clip that you'll just push outwards on, and you'll also kind of push like that. That way it comes off. It will come off of this clip right here. And then once that does come off, just kind of slowly push this back, and you should be able to slide this right on out. And that is how you remove it. And there was a clip right here, so you always want to make sure that is set in there. So the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is remove this screw and this screw, and we did get replacement lights, and I will get those in a second. All right, so here are the replacement bulbs. Got these from Mercedes-Benz, the ones that actually go to the C230 compressor. And let me open up one of these real fast to kind of show you. There is a left side, and there's also a right side, so depends on which one is out on your vehicle, or if you want to go ahead and replace both. And in our case, we are replacing the driver's side right now. So it looks like we will be using this one right here. So, and they're all weatherproof. It keeps a good seal right on the inside, so that's how it stays waterproof. So let me go ahead, and we'll go ahead and remove these screws. So we'll set this one aside. There's one screw there and one here. That's the good thing about the magnetic screwdriver. And once those are out, all you gotta do is go ahead and remove this one. Just pops out like that, and slides out like that. And this is the piece that we'll be replacing. So on these, pretty much all these are out, except for the ends. So we'll go ahead and get the new piece that we ordered. And we'll slide it in here like this. Just want to make sure you push down on everything. And you want to make sure that edge is on here real good. Then as well as push down here. And this back tab will line up to that edge right there. So let me go and get the screw on. Alright, and that one's real snug and tight as well. So let's go ahead and get this back on. We'll be in the shop in a second. We have all the ports that are back in, the lights back in here. I want to make sure this is clipped onto this securely. And then the back portion, that portion, and this clip here will be 1, 2, 3, and then this clip will go right there. So let's go ahead and get this done. Just make sure you have everything lined up really good. and you want to hear that click. And as you can tell, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 LED lights that are all linked up now. So nice. Everything is all good. So that's the installation of the LED light in the driver's side mirror, or in the C2005 C230. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. So if you see what you like, subscribe.